This is a recording for the Occupational English Test held at MedCity International Academy on 11th January 2024. The candidate's name is Monica Sugun Kumar and the candidate number is 99624. The interlocutor is Sangeeta Gopi and the interlocutor number is 4321. This will be role play number 1 for the profession of nursing. Good afternoon, Monica.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
May I see your ID card, please? Yeah, thank you. Okay. So, Monica, remember, this is a test of your English language and not an assessment of your professional knowledge. Keeping that in mind, speak as you would naturally in any situation. I will be first asking you a series of questions, warm-up questions to get you started. This is not in any way assessed. This is to get familiar with each other's voices.
Okay.
Your first question is, what are the qualities of a nurse?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. There are many qualities of nurse, especially the time punctuality, the qualities like the good observer and the understanding quality of a nurse. This all, and there are many other qualities of a nurse that are very useful in the nursing profession.
Okay. All right. And can you describe a day at work?
Yeah, my day starts with drinking coffee and then I go to the work. And there I'll be taking the over from the nurse, and then the day starts by taking care of the patients, by giving them all needed care, and by documenting all the things. And this is the day of my work.
All right. And can you tell me what are your plans for the future?
For the plan of the future, especially I have come here for OET, and after clearing my OET exam, I would like to go to the UK and aspire for good job over there. And this is the plan for the future. And
all right, so Monica, we will move on to the role play card now. You have 3 minutes to prepare on the card and you may make notes on the card if you wish to do so. At the end of the 3 minutes, you will be given 5 minutes for the role play card. And yeah, so do you have any questions so far?
no.
All right. So here is your card. The setting is emergency department, local hospital. Here is your pencil. You can make notes. So your preparation time starts now.
Ma'am, how may I address you while the...
Okay, you can call me Alicia. Okay, Monica, that's the end of your preparation time. You now have 5 minutes for the role play card. Don't worry if I stop you in between, that would just mean that's the end of your time.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so your time starts now.
Hello, Alicia. I hope you're feeling better right now.
Yes, I am, and that is why I'm really confused. I'm feeling so much better. Why am I held here?
Yeah, I can totally understand you're confused right now. But as you have involved, you were in the car accident today, and you are suffering from a headache and the whiplash, that is an injury to the cervical spine.
Okay.
So it was necessary that you should be kept under observation. So
Okay.
you are here in the hospital.
All right, you told me something about the spine and everything. I mean, is it something serious that I should be worried about?
Yeah, I can totally understand your concern, Miss Alisha, but there is nothing to be concerned about, and you are in a safe hands. So do not worry about your treatment. So I would like to explain you the ways where you can manage the pain that you're having now, and about the cervical spine you asked. It is an injury to the cervical spine. It is called as whiplash that you have got it. So am I clear to that?
That's fine. You've just told me what it is. But see, I don't have any cuts. There aren't any bruises. I'm sure I haven't broken any bones as
Yeah.
well. So can I go home now?
Yeah, I can understand, Ms. Alisha, but for now you are under the observation from the doctor, and there are some medications that have been given to you. So after that and after the observations from the doctor, he will decide whether you are ready to go to home or no.
Okay, and the medicines that you told me about, I mean, why should I have them? Because I feel totally normal.
Yeah, for the medicines that are given to you are for pain relieving.
Okay.
And as you have this headache and injury, so it is required for you to take this painkillers so that you will have the pain subsided soon. And also there are other ways that you can manage your pain. Would you like to hear about that?
Oh, yes, definitely. That would help.
Okay, so firstly, you can use heat or ice applications that will help you in reducing the inflammation.
Okay.
And also, there are some analgesics that will be prescribed by the doctor. It
Okay.
is useful for relieving the pain soon. And also, a collar will be given to you that will support the cervical spine. So, that will really help you in the range of motion. So, am I clear to you right now?
Yes, I understand that you're giving me some medicines, plus you've asked me to use
Heat application.
applications. Now, I'm just curious to know, will physiotherapy help me in any way? I mean, I want to get well as soon as possible.
Yeah, that's a good question, Ms. Alisha, and I can totally understand you want to recover soon. And as you said, physiotherapy is really a good option. There are various benefits of consulting a physiotherapist. So, what he'll do is he'll give you some exercises, and the relaxation exercises will really help you in loosening up the joints.
Okay.
So, physiotherapy is a really good option, and I would like to help you in consulting one. Is that okay?
That's fine. But how long do you think this will take? Like, if I start a session with the physiotherapist, how long would the treatment go?
Miss Alisha, I am sorry, but I can't exactly give you the duration of time. How much time will you require to recover? It is in doctor's hand, and he will see your progress, and he will decide or he will know what is the recovery time for you. Am I clear so far?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you have any other concerns?
No, I just want to know if there is anything else that I should be aware of, so that I can ensure I don't injure myself anymore.
That's okay. I can understand. And what I would like to explain you regarding that is you must comply with the treatment that is given to you.
Okay.
And also the exercise program that will be advised to you, that you have to follow it regularly. If you
Right.
follow them regularly, you will surely recover soon. So am I clear?
Yeah. So I think there's nothing much that I should be, be aware of, right?
And there is one more thing
Right.
that you must be worried about. That are some like after effects.
Oh,
There
okay.
are after effects like you may have some pain or discomfort, and also nausea or vomiting sometimes. And in very
Okay.
rare cases, there will be some vision problems. So it's nothing to be worried about for now, because if you have any of these symptoms arising, you may totally seek advice from our facility, and you may just give a call, and you may talk to the doctor, and he will prescribe with you with the
All right.
medication.
Thank you, Monica. That's the end of your time.
MedCity International Academy. Trusted hands forever.